what up? So, I got the Coleman CC100X mini bike. This is a 3 horsepower engine. I'm going to use zip ties to bypass the governor. This is the exact same engine on the CT100U mini bike. So if you have that, this will definitely work. So to do that, you gotta get one zip tie. And this would be, I guess, the side of the engine. Okay, you want to go to the front, and right here is the spring you want to put the zip tie around. Can you see that? So you got to get the zip tie in there and you want to tie it. Alright, so I'm going to do that. So as you can see, this is the throttle right there, the zip tie, and it's tied around that spring just like this, and you should be able to get up to about 35 miles an hour on flat ground. So again, this is the front, and then there's the spring right here. You put the zip tie in, it doesn't matter what side, you just need to tighten the spring. Now you don't want it too tight where it's pulling on your throttle so it is a runaway throttle. You just need it tight enough where it touches both ends. Okay? And the spring, there's your fuel on-off switch. It's right behind it, under the gas can from the front side.